There's an exclusive early bird pricing for this RippleOn EV Level 2 home charger. This coupon code is exclusive for you guys only and it's in the description of this video. This is the fastest EV Level 2 home charger I've ever used. It goes up to 48 amps, super fast. And there's two ways to connect it. You can either hardwire it to your home's electrical panel and that will give you that full 48 amps of power output. Or you can connect it via NEMA 1450 plug right here that will give you up to 40 amps. In our case, we have our NEMA 1430 dryer outlet. So with an adapter right here, we can connect it to our dryer outlet and be limited to 30 amps, which is still very fast. But if you use a NEMA 1450 plug and a NEMA 1450 outlet, you can get up to 40 amps. So it's super easy to connect to your home. It's also super easy to install. There's 4 bolts that hold this thing. This is very sleek, low profile, it's very compact, and it's very modern with the LEDs right here. It looks really good too. And this thing has a lot of certifications going for it, including the FTC, the FCC, the UL 2950, and the IP65. That means you can install this inside or outside. The rain is not going to bother it. It's going to be reliable and energy efficient. It has a 25 feet cable so you can reach your car, whether you're in the first car bay of your 2-car garage or the second bay or even outside, we can reach it. With the 25 feet cable, it's sweet. And this thing right here is 3 screws, allows you to mount this so it's easy and organized. And this 25 feet cable really makes it easy to charge your vehicle, whether you're inside the garage or outside, because it's 25 feet long. And you see how it nests all the cables right here? Super simple, super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it's gonna charge our Tesla Cybertruck. So this is a J1772 connection. And for Tesla vehicles, you will need an adapter. You would need the J1772 to Tesla standard right here, put on an adapter like that, and then connect in, and it starts charging right away. Super simple. Let me actually show you the app and show you what kind of information we can see on the app right here. So here it is. We can see the voltage right there. The power is ramping up right now, and the current draw. You see we can control the current, whether it's 16 amp, 24 amp, 32 amp, or 40 amp. It goes up to 40 amps in this case because we have the NEMA 1450 version, but if you hardwire, it can go up to 48 amps. So you can see all this information right now is charging about 6 kilowatt. Pretty awesome. Even at 24 amps, that's an amazing amount of power. I love it. Charging mode, you can decide if you want to just plug in and charge. Like right now, we just plugged it in and it's charging. Or you can choose to have delay charging, so you can set the time you want to start charging. You can also set a scheduled charging, which is great in case you have time of use and you want to start charging certain time of day because energy is at a lower cost at a certain time of day. You can do that too. Love that feature. But I love to just plug and charge. So I'm going to turn that on. So every time I plug in, it starts charging right away. So very simple, easy to charge our truck right here. And when we're done charging our truck, or when we want to stop it, you just push this button right here. It'll stop charging and you can pull this out and we can wrap up the cable, coil it up again. So 25 feet cable is long enough to charge our truck inside and outside the garage. Love it. This thing has firmware upgradability too. So you can upgrade the firmware on this thing, and future updates will include even more ambient light modes and other features. Super easy to do over-the-air update, and I'll show you the different lighting modes we have because it looks very modern, but you can even make it look better based on the lighting colors that match your style. So you can see this 25 feet cable wraps really nicely here and takes up pretty much no space on the wall, and there you go. So with the app, you'll be able to change the color mode. So I'll go to settings right here. You can see there's a firmware upgradability. You can change the ambient lighting. So here's mode number 1, here's mode number 2, look at that. And then we can change to mode number 3. So again, right now, there's 3 different color modes. And this one is a bolder blue. It's one of my favorite modes right there. And we have mode number 4 right here. This is a warmer color. So you have different options, and with firmware upgradability, you will have more color modes in the future. This thing is simple, it's easy, it's awesome. I love this charger, and like I said, right now exclusively there's an early bird discount because this is just recently released. That early bird coupon code will not last. So if you want the fastest level 2 EV charger, the RippleOn, get it now before it's too late. The RippleOn. Oh yeah.